In China, there is a festival meant only for family reunion, the Mid-Autumn Festival. And there is a special delicacy for this special day, mooncakes. A mooncake, round-shaped, resembles the moon on the very night of this day. Circle is a sign of completeness and happiness. Circle symbolizes that families are going to be together and forever. And in a round mooncake, all these beautiful hopes are reposed. With the mooncake in hand, one relishes the very moment of reunion. In sharing the mooncake, one spreads happiness to all. Let's celebrate Mid-Autumn Festival, admire the moon, and enjoy the mooncakes.